Dear friends, in this video I will show you how you can install and activate required plugins for a theme. Some themes need some plugins to work smoothly and functional everything. For this theme, there are some plugins needed to work the theme properly. So there are two options. Here is an top bar and another one is menu. So if you can click on this one or click on this one, both will redirect to the same screen. Just click on install plugins menu. It will redirect to the install required plugins page. You can see which plugins need to be installed to work this theme smoothly. Just click on select all of the plugins and click on install action. Now click on apply button. After click apply, it will download, install and activate all of the required plugins that needed to be functional for this theme. You can click on return to the dashboard, or you can see which plugins are installed and activated. Just click on plugins. You can see all of the required plugins are installed and activated. After successfully activated, you can see some options are appearing here, such as theme option, install demo content. There is another menu. This comes from Codex Framework Pro. So here you can see lots of the options that will help you to design more advanced theme. Here also you can see some another option, import demo data. If you want to test demo data, you can click on import demo data, or if you want to install demo content, you can select this one. Okay, so if your site is very new, you can select this one. This one is recommended. If you have already some data, you can click import demo data option. We will explain both of them in separate video. If you have any question, you can ask, feel free.